On today's show, we take a look at the ladies' finals from Sunday night's beach tennis tournament. Plus, in lifestyle, we have innovation at its finest. Check out some of the world's coolest hotel rooms. And Aruba takes home the advanced doubles men title. 15 on 15 starts right now. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. Sunday night was an exciting day at Eagle Beach as the finals took place for the 2013 Aruba International Beach Tennis Tournament. ATV was live for 5 hours covering the double pro men and women semifinals as well finals. Here's my interview with Giulia Curzi, the number 4 ranked player in the world from Italy, right after they won the championship match.
I want to ask you, how do you feel right now winning the championship?
Yes, I feel better. I'm very happy.
Can you tell me, was there a specific strategy that you were looking for tonight before? What were your preparations for this game?
We speak about the strategy and we do a lot of think, not the same play always. And we have been.
I noticed that every game, every point, you and Flavia are always in discussion, always strategizing. What do you guys talk about behind that paddle?
Sorry?
In between every point, you and Flavia are always discussing, strategizing. What are the two of you discussing behind that paddle?
What we discuss about the point, the strategy. Yes, always, all point. Sorry, I have got no.
No, I completely understand that you are just so excited right now. Tell me, how was your journey getting here? How were the levels in Aruba's beach tennis tournament in the quarterfinals, semifinals, finals? Talk to me about that.
Today, always a fight. Quarterfinal with against Nicole and Nadia that are a very, very good player. And then semifinal against Diaz and Bigelmeyer that are again a good player, and now again a very good player, so only fight.
Okay, let's get the crowd going here in Center Court Amstel Bright Arena. Talk to me about why Aruba is one of the, if not the best tournament in the world. Talk to me about that.
Because the organization is perfect, the people is lovely, and there is always party, and I love Aruba. I want to stay here.
You know the holidays are approaching once the decorating at the roundabouts on the island begin. Take a look at the preparations so far. The government collaborates with the commercial sector to bring some life on the island's roundabouts in order to get drivers and passengers into the holiday spirit. So far, the roundabouts at Bush Chiquito, Tanki Flip, Turbo Roundabout, and Counting have been decorated. The decorations are sponsored by businesses in the area of the roundabouts. The government shows support always for this creative initiative by having a representation from the Cabinet of Ministers or Parliament member to inaugurate each one. The new King and Queen are about to make their inaugural visit to Aruba. On Tuesday, November 19th, the royal couple will arrive. All elementary school children are in full preparation for their visit. Students in every elementary school across the island are learning the choreography, practicing and perfecting it before the King and Queen arrive. The students will all be performing the same dance, wearing the same uniform, which are the t-shirts representing the island's color and resembling the flag. The classes of every elementary school have taken time out of their curriculum to prepare the children for the big performance in front of the new King and Queen. According to the teachers, the students are enthusiastic about the dance and have been cooperative at the rehearsals. When we come back, we'll check out some of the coolest hotel rooms there are. Then we have an interesting fact on bleach that you probably didn't know about. And we'll show you the world's fastest dating app that's growing worldwide. All that is coming up, so stay with us. Welcome back from the break. For now, we've got innovation at its finest. let's check out some of the coolest underwater hotel rooms. Imagine peace and tranquility at its finest. The newest one is just off of an African island. Off the coast of Tanzania, there is the Manta Resort on Pemba Island, which just added a beautiful worldly underwater bedroom. A new Swedish room opened this month also in the middle of a lake in Sweden, lying approximately 250 meters offshore. The latest underwater structure is a 3-story affair with a rooftop deck, a bathroom, and a lounge area at sea level. And there is a bedroom downstairs with the fish. At night, the spotlights under the windows attract and illuminate squids and octopus. Now, here's something interesting. A new research suggests that diluted household bleach may be able to treat some skin diseases and may even have a role in slowing aging. A study published shows bleach claims inflammation. Researchers suggest bleach has potential to treat skin conditions caused by radiotherapy, bed sores, and diabetic ulcers. Experts warned, though, that patients should not apply bleach directly to their skin. Baths containing 0.005% can already be used to treat eczema, but exactly how they work is uncertain. Some bacteria on the skin are killer. However, researchers showed bleach also interferes with the immune system. Inflammation is a natural part of the immune system response to infection, yet it can get out of hand, so be careful. Tinder is the world's fastest growing dating app. With the current generation of youngsters actively on their smartphones, it makes sense to start the dating process on the device as well. Many of us are attached to our smartphones nowadays, so what better way to start scouting out prospects to date than on your phone? Introducing Tinder. Online photographs of yourself is what keeps the app going. Users swipe left if you don't like what you see, or you swipe right when it looks right. If somebody you like happens to like you back, then Tinder matches you up. It is the fastest growing app on the market right now, with a 15% growth every week. Tinder has had a total of 30 billion swipes and counting. If you'd like, check out Tinder, but keep in mind you need to have Facebook to get it and, of course, a smartphone to actually use the app. But more importantly, you'll need to be comfortable uploading a picture of yourself and have to be comfortable with the fact that the likes and dislikes you will get are based solely on your picture. On that note, we will take a break, take a look to see what is coming up. ATV's sports anchor Kadochi Kok and I, along with a fantastic production crew, broadcasted live from Eagle Beach Sunday afternoon for the 2013 Aruba Beach Tennis Tournament Finals. Yes, the pro men and women matches were extremely entertaining. Making it to center court, though, were mostly players from Brazil and Italy. But we need to be proud of our Aruban players as well. Aruba took home the title of Advanced Men's Doubles. Here was my interview with them last night after their win.
How were the levels and the competition when you played in your pool, when you played in quarterfinals, semifinal, finals? How were the levels? I'll start with you.
All right, well, coming into the pool, it was definitely not easy, but it was not the hardest. But as we progressed going forward, it got a lot harder. And the last one was definitely the hardest one, I would say. But we decided to keep calm and play nice and easy and kill the boys when we had the chance to. And we killed them. We killed them.
Julian, I want you to tell me, did you have a strategy? How is your communication on the court? What are your strengths as a team, do you think, representing Aruba?
Well, it depends on which team we play, but I'll have to say on the last one, we started out down actually 2-0, and then we kind of adjusted, we started moving them a little bit more, and then would, be a little patient, move the ball, and whenever we got a chance, finish it.
Now, Aruba has one of the best beach tennis tournaments in the world, but unfortunately, when it comes to the semifinals and the finals, it's always Brazilian men and Italian men who dominate the pro category. So, what's the next step? How can Aruban men get better? Tell me.
Gotta go train some more.
Yeah, definitely. Just practice. Practice makes perfect. So all we need to do is practice a little bit more, and yeah, I mean, you never know. You know, we'll next year for sure. We probably try the pros. You know, we'll try our luck. You know.
Hey, you can't go in advance anymore. You just won. But you think the talent is there? Does the Reuben men have the potential to be there? Tell me.
Definitely, definitely. You know, the talent is there. All we need to do is practice. You know, keep focus and put the hours into it. I'm sure it'll play for itself.
But how do you boys feel? You're the only Reuben team on the island for doubles men, doubles women, pro men, pro women who garnered the title and kept it home. How do you feel? How excited? And how's the support, more importantly?
Well, don't forget the Masters. We also won the Masters. Don't forget my boys Frankie and Luis Posner. So, you know, shout out to them. Congratulations to them. And yeah, I mean, it feels awesome. It's an awesome feeling. It's an awesome feeling. You can't even describe the crowd. Your Reubens just cheering for us every single point. It was amazing.
Now, I want you to talk about the growing beach tennis community on the island. Tell the viewers how big this sport is and how many fanatics of the sport there are here and how it's becoming a dominating activity here.
Well, there's every single day there's a couple of new players coming into the sport. It's a very fun sport. You keep active, you keep fit, and it's not a very hard sport for you to get good at it. So it's a very big confidence boost for a lot of people. You get a nice game going. You don't have to be a professional at sports. It's just an amazing sport.
Julian, what do you love about it?
It's also very social. You know, it's one of those sports where you can just go play a couple matches, sit around, you know, just relax with a couple friends. And, you know, when it gets serious, of course, like today, you can just tell how, you know, how enthusiastic people are and, you know, how they're cheering for us. It's just amazing.
So we feel good.
Oh, yes, we do.
Awesome, bro.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Congratulations to Dennis and Julian. Like the boys mentioned, we can't forget about Aruba winning the title of Masters doubles men either. Frankie Simfuk and Luis Posner won the Masters title. This category can only be played by teams whose ages add up to 100 or more. Congratulations and another Hopi Babiang to Beach Tennis Aruba for an incredible event. The organization was fantastic and the outcome was also incredible. And that is our show for today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back here at the same time tomorrow right here on Channel 15 ATV. We'll see you then.